Welcome to Cooking with SnowBikes, episode 7. We're back in the Paradise zone, local zone. We just stopped here up at the Black Hunt stand and I said, smell someone. Is someone cooking something? What are you cooking over there, Chris?
The old Mexican Hot Pockets.
Mexican? And you said you burn a hole in your tinfoil?
Oh,
You're starting on the crispy already. Alan, what are you cooking today?
Oh, some PB&J later.
Ooh, PB&J.
Same.
We got Bonnie over there. John.
Cheese Sammy.
Thinking it's about time. I can smell that. Look at the crispy on that. I gotta zoom in. Holy, that's burnt. We know how you like your marshmallows. Well, I think it's time. I'm going back to the OG. I got some bacon and cheese and ham. Hot Pockets. Hot Pockets in the woods, cooking with SnowBikes. We'll be back to you in about an hour.
Was that his line or did you get kicked off?
You got kicked off it.